Hey there, homeowners. Today I'm going to show you how to install your R-32 PTAC unit like a pro. Let's dive right in. First up, choosing the right location. Pick a wall that can handle the unit's weight and has plenty of clearance for ventilation and servicing. Avoid heat sources and direct sunlight to keep things cool and efficient. Next, we need to prepare the installation area. Clear out any obstructions and make sure you measure and cut the wall opening accurately. Check for any wiring or piping that might get in the way. Step 3, inserting the wall sleeve. Secure it with appropriate fasteners and insulate around it to prevent air leaks. Make sure it's level to avoid drainage problems later on. Now it's time to install the PTAC unit itself. Slide the unit carefully into the wall sleeve and ensure it fits snugly. Double check that it's level to prevent any water leaks. Onto the electrical connections. Make sure the power supply is compatible with the unit's voltage and capacity. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to connect the wiring properly. And remember, secure all connections to avoid any power issues. Finally, seal and test the unit. Apply weatherproofing sealant around the edges to keep air leaks at bay. Turn the unit on and check for proper cooling and heating. Listen for any unusual noises or vibrations that might signal installation problems. There you have it. Your R-32 PTAC unit is installed and ready to go. Enjoy the comfort and efficiency it brings to your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.